Hello friends. This video is brought to you by mywayteaching.com.
Circles. We shall start this chapter with introduction of circles and related terms. Next we study angle subtended by a chord at a point. We then move to perpendicular from the center to a chord. Next, circle through 3 points. Then we shall discuss equal chords and their distance from the center. We shall move to angle subtended by an arc of a circle, and finally we shall study cyclic quadrilaterals. Circles. Although we all know what a circle is, still let us revise how we draw a circle using a compass and a pencil. Take a compass and fix a pencil in it. Put its pointed edge on the point on a sheet of a paper. Open the other leg to some distance, keeping the pointed leg on the same point. Rotate the other leg through one revolution, which is the closed figure traced by the pencil on paper. We know it is a circle. How did we get it? We kept one point fixed and drew all the points that were at a fixed distance from A. So we can define a circle as the collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in a plane is called a circle. The fixed point is called the center of the circle, and the fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. A circle divides the plane in which it lies into 3 parts. Inside the circle, which is called the interior of the circle. The circle itself and the exterior of the circle, that is the outside part of the circle. Out of these, the circle and its interior make up the circular region. If we take any 2 points P and Q on the circle and join them, then the line segment PQ is called chord of the circle. The chord that passes through the center of the circle is called diameter of the circle. Note that the diameter is the longest chord and all the diameters have the same length, which is equal to 2 times the radius. A piece of a circle between 2 points is called an arc. Look at the pieces of the circle between 2 points P and Q. We find there are 2 pieces, one longer piece and one smaller piece. The longer one is called major arc and The shorter one is called the minor arc. The minor arc can simply be denoted by PQ and a curve over it. But to denote the major arc, we will have to take some point R between the arc. Then we can denote major arc as P, R, Q and a curve over it. If P and Q are the ends of the diameter, then both the arcs are called the semicircle. Also note that both the semicircles have arc of equal length. The length of the complete circle is called its circumference. The region between the chord and either of its arc is called the segment of the circular region, or simply segment of the circle. Depending on the arc, the segment can be a minor segment or a major segment. We define minor segment as the region between a chord and the minor arc, while major segment is the region between a chord and its major arc. It is time to define sector, the region between an arc and the two radii joining the center to the endpoints of this arc is called a sector. So here P and Q are the endpoints of the minor arc which are joined to point O, which is the center of the circle. So POQ forms a minor sector. Also, P and Q are the endpoints of the larger arc. So the remaining part is a major sector.